This is Terry from Boatshed Brighton. Just going to show you the cockpit area of the Sessa Dorado 32. Show you various fishing rods, and there's the step to the side deck, the companionway door. We'll take you through to that area in a moment. These are the steps up to the flybridge. Just show you the side of the deck there. We have various lockers. There are more photos on the listing to show you the contents and the area in the lockers. The stern seat, nice teak deck floor. Going through the companionway into the saloon area, the galley area. There are more close-up photos on the listing. We've got the helm, the depth finder, show you the seating, back companionway. Just going to take you around down into the bedroom area, just down a couple of steps. It's the main bedroom area. Again, there are more close-up photos on the listing. Here is the after cabin seating, locker room, wardrobe room. Here we have the heads area. The sink. Back out to the saloon area. This is Terry from Boatshed Brighton. Thank you for watching.